Hi, in the previous video, I've already shown you how to start the hybrid query server and using the unit test cases from the user command service to test the interaction between two different services. With all the endpoints completed, I'm going to test using two different server instances. One is a user query server running this user query jar file. This is a hybrid server, sorry. And you can see I have the user query.jar included into the class path. Is an external library with setup from this project structure. This is the place in module dependencies, and you can see it's here. So let's start this server. Oh, this server started. Let's restart it. So the server is running. Yeah, the hybrid query server on the CQRS query side. Let's go to the command side. Hybrid command. And this server is up running again. Let's just restart it. So this one is similar. We have a server instance, and within this server, we have this user command as part of dependency in the external library. You can set up an endpoint here. Let's say we create an endpoint in this create user. Let's get started. So the server is up running, listening to 8441. Let's go to the Postman. This is the tools I'm using for test. Let's first do some queries and see what's going on here. This is a query to query user by email, and you can see I have this command as part of the query parameter. And for headers, I have this token, the long-lived token here. Let's just try it out. Okay, here we go. We have something returned back. So this stillwho@gmail.com does exist. Let's take a look at others. This is a command. We're going to delete this server. We can try this out to delete that user. So we got status code 200 returned. Let's go this do the query again. You can see we got user not found by email. So the user doesn't exist anymore. So let's create a new user and see how it works. This is a create new user. I'll just send this request. Yeah, immediately set breakpoint here. We are reaching this point. So I'm gonna just walk through this. There shouldn't be any user, any error. So this should be okay. We create the email token, and everything is done. We send the event to the query side. We can also set the breakpoint on the query side to see how the stream is processed. I'm going to set the breakpoint in this user query stream. Okay, let's see in the process. Yeah, let's set the breakpoint here. We need to go to the hybrid command and let it go. And you can see immediately we got the user create event. And let's see how this this is processed. It basically create all the stores to save all the information and then complete the process. Yeah. So now we have user created. We can go to the Postman to check it out. Go to the Postman. We do another query. You can see we got the user created already. And one thing you need to pay attention is verified this user is false. So to complete the user registration, there is email confirmation need to be done. Yeah, this is the email I just received. Yeah, welcome to Live Portal. Complete your account registration. When I click this confirm, it basically sends the request to the command side. Let's do another query for the user again. Yeah, actually here we have a breakpoint here. We need to let it go. Now we have the user returned is verified equal to true. So basically this user is confirmed, and then we can use this user to log into the system. So you can see like we are now using two different servers, and they are running within the IDE, and each other, they are communicating with each other, and you can set breakpoint on either server to see how they interact with each other. From the Postman, you can generate different requests, and you can see how these requests works between two different servers. So this concludes this tutorial. In the next step, we're gonna package those two services in Docker and deploy to the local behind the light router. Thank you. Bye.